Hey guys! So, I am getting ready for today's video. Isasama ko na kayo sa Get Ready With Me part. So, first of all, magkakaroon tayo ng bonggang-bonggang lip swatch of these products right here. Super duper exciting bagong products in Careline. But they also sent me this new product right here. Itong Careline Oil Control Skin Tint. Super duper excited to use this as well. And it looks like this. So, ang chika ay it has a tone adapting technology. So, pag-apply mo, mag-a-adapt siya sa skin tone mo. Siguro not 100%, pero wala siyang white cast or whatsoever. It has SPF 50+. It has niacinamide that brightens dull skin. Meron ding salicylic acid that minimizes the appearance of pores. We need that. And meron siyang sika, which helps smoothen, moisturize, and restore the skin. So, you can use your fingertips, your brush, or your sponge to apply this. So, it looks like this. So, ito yung wala pa. Sorry, nilagyan ko na. Pero ito yung meron na. Let's look at the finish, you guys. Okay, so first impression. Pag nilagay mo siya sa skin mo, hindi siya like madulas na lotion. Meron siyang konting tug. It has a little bit of stickiness, like very, very minimal. Hindi siya bothering na stickiness. Okay naman siya. Pero tingnan natin later on kung ano mangyayari kapag nag-set na siya. So far, so good. I like the finish. It looks really natural and meron kang a little bit of healthy glowing sheen. So I'm just going to do the rest of my face. Wala akong ilalagay na setting powder whatsoever. I'm just gonna leave it like this, but I'm just gonna do my brow and nose contour maybe. Hey guys, I'm back. So we are ready to do the lip swatch. At ang lip swatch nga natin ay yung Careline Whipped Cream Tint. So it's a velvety mousse tint, light as a cloud daw, and it has air whip formula. So ibig sabihin, pwede mo siya daw gamitin sa lids mo and sa cheeks mo. So it's a multi-use cream tint, and we are going to test that out later. Tingnan natin kung effective nga siya sa cheeks and sa eyelids. So let me show you the packaging muna because it's quite interesting. It comes in an acrylic container. So, ayan yung Careline. And then, sa baba yung shade. Pero look at the shape, you guys. Hindi siya like circle or square. I don't know anong klaseng shape to. Pero it's interesting. Manipis dito and then palapad pababa. For the applicator naman, it's just the basic doe foot applicator. So, first shade I'm going to swatch is called Cloud. So, this is Cloud swatched on my hand. So, camera mo siyang dark. Pero hindi siya dark, you guys. It's actually parang nudie. And ito siya pag ginamit ng blush. Now, it's time to swatch it on my lips. It's like nude, pero you're not looking dead. It's like nude na peachy nude. Ayan. Perfect for everyday, and feeling ko marami siyang babagayan na skin tone. And ito siya pag ginamit mo as a blush or eyeshadow. And honestly, yung feel niya sa lips, meron siyang konting tug, like 3% tug. Pero hindi naman bothering. Yeah, pero it's not heavy on the lips. First application, meron siyang a little bit of sheen. Pero feeling ko, as day goes by, mawawala yung sheen na yon. Ang ma-retain lang is yung tint. Pero guys, take note, this is not kiss-proof or waterproof. So lahat ng iinuman mo, lahat ng madidikitan ng labi mo, magkaka-stain. By the way, itong mga whipped cream pala, cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. So that's good. So again, this is Cloud. Next shade we have is called Cotton. So this is Cloud, this is Cotton. Parang pareha silang nudie, pero si Cotton ay ma-pinky, si Cloud ay ma-peachy. And eto si Cotton, pag ginawa mo blush or eyeshadow, let's try it on our lips. So this is Cotton on my lips, and it's another really nice pang everyday shade. And like I said, si Cloud ay ma-peachy. Eto, more on pinky. I don't know if you can tell sa camera, pero I swear, it's more on the pinky side na really nice for everyday. So I feel like you don't have to get the two kasi medyo sort of kind of close sila ng shade. So alamin mo na lang kung alin ba yung bagay sa'yo. Ikaw ba ay ma-peachy or more on a pinky kind of nude? And yun, doon ka pumili. Yeah, this is Cotton. I'm so sorry guys kung medyo dumilim yung lighting natin because uulan. My God. Next shade I'm going to swatch is called Mallows. So this is Mallows swatch at back of my hand. And as you can see, mas deeper na siya kesa dun sa first two shade. And it's like kind of bright papaya pink shade. When I say papaya pink, you guys, that's like a combination of pink, red and orange na really perfect for summer or pag mainit yung panahon. And then, eto naman siya pag ginamit mo as a blush or as an eyeshadow. And para siyang like really pop of color on your cheeks or on your eyelids. And this is Mallows on my lips. And as you can see, biglang pop of color talaga sa lips ito Mallows. And honestly, you guys, yung opacity niya, yung first two shade, I don't know, baka dahil nude siya, parang 80% lang yung opacity niya or yung cover niya or yung coverage niya sa lips mo. Pero etong si Mallows, dahil mas matindi siguro yung tint, I don't know, pero mas matindi din yung makakover niya sa lips mo. Like siguro mga 90%. Yung first two 80, eto 90. But it's really nice. I like it. Parang ano siya. Pag gusto mo na super plain lang all over your face, pero like may pop of color ka, go for Mallows. And it's really nice na pang everyday summer, napakainit, but you wanna look cute and fab. You go for Mallows. Down to the last two shades. I feel like unahin natin Itechiwa. And this is the shade Mousse. So this is Mousse, and as you can see, it's darker na. I like doing swatches like that, from the lightest to the darkest. At eto naman, si Mousse, if you're going to use it as a blush, and honestly, napakatapang niya as a blush, pero pwede siya as an eyeshadow. Now let's try it on my lips. And this is Mousse on my lips, you guys. And I feel like ito yung kanilang burnt orange entry, diba? So we have a nudie peach, a nudie pink, a bright papaya pink-ish, and then burnt orange. Ito yung burnt orange. And it's really deep, you guys. Hindi, wait, it's deep, pero it's like muted. Hindi siya yung parang nakakatakot Halloween deep. Oo, parang pwede pa rin naman siyang pang everyday deep. I hope that makes sense. Honestly, hindi ako masyadong fan ng mga burnt oranges, pero this one, I kind of like it. Kasi it's a burnt orange, pero hindi, like, makalawang. Alam mo yun? So yeah, this is Mousse. We are down to the last shade, and this is called Puff. And this is Puff swatch at the back of my hand. So again, this is Cloud, Cotton, this is Mallows, this is Mousse, and this is Puff. At eto naman, si Puff, pag ginawa mong blush or eyeshadow, as in putok na blush siya, you guys. Let's try it on my lips. And this is Puff on my lips, you guys. I think this is hands down my most favorite shade out of all the 5. Kasi it's a deep mauvey pink. Yeah. Like pink and brown, tas pinagsama mo a little bit deeper or muted. Ito yun. And I am loving it. Pwede siya pag nighttime, pwede siya pang daytime. By the way, you guys, etong mga to, you can apply it like one layer. And then, i-ganun-ganun nyo lang, i-pucker nyo lang yung lips nyo, and then you're good. It's going to be like your lips but better type of shade. Pero, maganda kasi na gamitin nyo rin siya in full potential, full pack color, like this one. So yeah, this is Puff. I love Puff! Alright guys, so bago ko sabihin yung final thoughts ko, mag-apply muna tayo. I-try muna natin siya as a blush and as an eyeshadow. Tingnan natin kung effect nga siya. Kasi honestly, parang, I don't know. Kasi sa feel niya sa lip, meron siyang a little bit of tugging. At makapit talaga siya sa lips. Pero creamy naman siya, hindi naman siya drying. I just don't know kung may limit to as a blush or as an eyeshadow. Pero let's try. I'm going to use Cloud on my eyelids. Ito si Cloud. In fairness. And then, I think I'm going to use Cotton, yung nudie pink, on my cheeks. Kasi yun yung bagay sa Puff. Lagay muna natin dito. I don't think you should apply it like directly sa cheeks nyo. Lalo na if you have something on top, like a foundation or BB cream. Pero kung tinted sunscreen lang, I think okay lang. Mas okay nang i-warm up nyo muna dito. So I love Cotton as a blush. It's going to give you a very subtle blush or pinky glow. In fairness, kompleto na yung face natin. Okay, final thoughts na tayo, guys. Unahin ko muna itong Oil Control Skin Tint. And so far, so good. I've been wearing it for parang mga 30 minutes na ako nag-film. Oo. And okay naman siya. It's really nice for everyday. Kung hindi ka ma-makeup, pero alam mo yun, gusto mo lang pantayin kahit papaano yung skin tone mo and you wanna make your skin look better, kasi naman sa flat lang siya, I do recommend this one. Although, nag-adapt naman siya sa skin tone ko, pero syempre, I can't speak for all the skin tones and undertones, diba? You have to try it for yourself para malaman mo if talagang mag-adapt siya sa skin tone mo. Pero personally, in my experience, nag-adapt naman siya sa skin tone ko and I am loving the finish. If you know me, if you've been following me, you know na I love yung mga natural finish lang, yung may mga glow, dewy, sheen finish. So, bentang-benta sa akin ito, oil control skin tint. Kung oil control nga ba talaga siya, hindi kasi ako ma-oily na tao, so I cannot speak for that. You have to try it for yourself. Pero the finish, I love it. Plus, meron pang SPF 50. So, pwede na. By the way, this retails for 285 pesos. Tiny bit expensive lang siya for me, lalo na for a skin tint. Pero, knowing kasi na meron siyang SPF 50, meron siyang niacinamide, salicylic acid, and cica, like all the skin-loving ingredients. Sige, go! Push na tayo sa 285 pesos. Plus shipping fee pa, kung bibili ka online. Okay, mapunta tayo sa whipped cream tint. So, this retails for 220 pesos, you guys. 220, multi-use na siya. You can use it on your lips, your cheeks, and your eyelids. Honestly, I will buy this for 220. Yes, because I love the shades. Although, sana magdagdag sila ng mga shades nila. Kasi itong mga to, it's like pang cutie patootie. Ano yung mga cutie patootie everyday shades. And that's okay, that's alright. Pero I hope maglabas pa sila ng more shades. Mas marami pang shades para mas marami pang babagayan ng mga skin tones and undertones. As a lip product, wala ako problema sa kanya. I love it. It's not drying. Buildable. Yung pigment niya, hindi siya like one swipe if full coverage na, no. Pwede mo siyang gamitin as a light tint or pwede mo ngang i-build yung coverage as a full-blown parang liquid lipstick. Ngayon, as a blush, I'm going to use this as a blush kung I just have a sunscreen sunblock on my face or alam mo yon, skincare lang ang meron ako or a tinted sunscreen or a very light foundation and then ilalagay ko muna siya saka ko papatungan or isaset ng powder kung magsaset man ako ng powder. Pero I feel like medyo mahirap siya kapag nilagay mo na yung powder kung ang ginagamit mo is powder foundation tapos saka mo siya ilalagay ng ganon. Kasi yung powder is matte pero eto, it's going to give you a sheeny na blush. Alam mo yun, hindi siya matte blush. So, I don't recommend this. I'm not saying it's not effective. I just don't recommend this kapag ka super plakadong makeup ang gagawin mo. Like full coverage foundation and then or powder foundation, papatungo po ng powder foundation, baka hindi maging maganda yung effect niya. As an eyeshadow, I love it as an eyeshadow, pero eto rin yung klase na pwedeng ganyan lang, if you just want to add a little bit of color on your, or depth sa eyelids mo. Pero if you're going to use this as a pang full glam or pang event, kailangan mo siyang iset with a powder. So maganda siyang base. Tapos papatungan mo na lang ng pang-set na eyeshadow. Honestly, I do recommend na itry nyo to. Effect na siya. Pero as for the shades, favorite ko, kayo mamili, diba? Kayo mamili ko rin bagay sa skin tone nyo or sa undertone nyo. Pero ako personally, eto, super number 1, favorite ko, si Puff, like a mauvey deep pink. And then, I love all of them except, sige, kung meron ako i-eliminate, dahil lang to sa personal preference ko ha, I'm going to eliminate itong si Puff, yung burnt orange, this one, just because I'm not in the era of loving burnt orange nowadays. Oo, I'm more on the, you know, really soft peachy pink, yung mga ganyan. Pero yung mga burnt orange na ganun ka-deep, hindi ko siya masyadong favorite. Pero, baka maganda sa inyo, diba? Baka bet nyo, peg nyo, go for it. But yeah, again, ito yung mga shades. This is Cloud, Cotton, Mallows, Mousse, and Puff. So, yeah, yun ang ating lip swatch, guys. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. And abangan ninyo, marami pa tayong susunod na video dahil ang dami naka-line up na products. Anyway, if you're interested sa Careline Whipped Cream Tint, link down below. Pati yung mga social media accounts ko, nasa baba din. Pati yung TikTok account ko, oh my god, I have a TikTok account. Please do follow me. I'm going to insert my name somewhere here. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!